After a really rainy Tuesday, there's still some rain going on across central Alabama Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Most of the rain looks pretty light, honestly. There's just not a whole lot of heavy stuff out there, but we're watching showers here before 10 p.m. on Tuesday that are gradually expanding toward the north, and as they do, we will see more and more wet weather through the overnight hours, especially south of Birmingham through Shelby County, Chilton County, into Coosa County, and this is all because of the same disturbance that kicked up showers all day long on Tuesday, put down a really hefty stripe of rain right here across the middle of the state. Birmingham, more than 2 to 3 inches of rain just Tuesday alone. In fact, Birmingham's rain total at the airport, second largest of the entire year so far. So here's how things are going to shape up for us going into the weekend. A chance of some widely scattered thunderstorms. Now keep in mind that the chance is only about 30% Saturday, about 20% on Sunday, and about 20% on Memorial Day. That chance of rain is a little bit higher down toward the Alabama Gulf Coast. The beach forecast looks like this. We will have some scattered showers and thunderstorms at times, but no, it is not going to rain the entire time. And the rip current threat looks to be pretty low, at least through the first part of the weekend, based on the information from the National Weather Service in Mobile. And I would suggest to you that if you are traveling toward the Alabama or Northwest Florida Gulf Coast anytime this summer, make sure if you're on Twitter, you're following the National Weather Service in Mobile, because they put out that daily rip current forecast. And also make sure you're paying attention to the flags that are out on the beach. Rip currents are among the deadliest natural phenomenon on the Gulf Coast. More people die from that than lightning, tornadoes, hurricanes every year combined than what happens with rip currents and surf-related incidents. So just be aware of that, and if you're headed toward the coast, just pay attention. That's the best advice that you could be given. 7-day forecast here in central Alabama. A chance of a shower or a thunderstorm coming up on Wednesday. That best chance is mainly south of Birmingham. You see the darker green there. High temperature close to 80 degrees on Wednesday afternoon. On Friday, we gin up this next chance of some scattered thunderstorms because of an upper air disturbance that's close by. What an upper air disturbance does is it's a pocket of cool air aloft that creates its own wind field, about 10 to 15,000 feet above the ground. And as it's doing that, it naturally destabilizes the atmosphere and causes the wind to stir up the atmosphere, churning it up, and that leads to showers and thunderstorms. So what happens around here over the weekend is most likely that we have a few waves of thunderstorms, and they're probably more likely inside that area I just circled. The farther east you go, especially later into the weekend towards Sunday and Memorial Day itself, the less likely it is that you're going to run into any sort of significant rain and thunderstorms. And then toward the middle of next week, it's just standard fare, an isolated storm or two with highs in the 80s and morning lows in the 50s and low 60s, which should feel pretty comfortable.